Hey guys, welcome back. Another quick short video. This is about the recent post we shared about the structural type or duck type in TypeScript. So guys, very short and sweet. The idea is in TypeScript we use the structural type or duck typing, and what you need to understand is in TypeScript it doesn't matter what we call it. It's more about the structure or the properties in the interface or the type. Now it doesn't matter what we call it. Now, for example, we have the interface person here. We can call it something else, interface ABC. But as far it has name and age in there, the TypeScript type system is happy about that. And so in this example, if you see, we have an employee interface, we have person interface. Ways we have the employee ID, extra property. We got the print person info. It's just a console log of the all the properties from the person. And there's one of the employee. It's just to print out the all the properties of employee. Now we are creating a person data, simple, and we're creating an employee data, passing all the properties. And here comes the where we are calling those methods or the functions using the objects we created. The first line is very straightforward, guys. We are just passing a person data to the person info, and we know it's taking a person info type, so no trouble. There's nothing new in there. We see the output is there. Now the magic happens in normal line 36. As you guys can see, we are passing an employee to the person, and still it's happy with that. As you guys can see, it's not complaining at all. The TypeScript feedback is good, and the expected output is Bob and age 25. It's all good. And but guys, if you see as the label or the name wise, it doesn't make any sense because we have the person type and we are passing an employee type to this one, but still TypeScript happy with that. And that's the idea of structural typing or the duck typing, right? It's as far as it's happy with the structure or the properties it has, then it's okay. Nothing to worry about that. So that's the flexibility we have. And you might feel like, oh, right, it's kind of can get into errors. But as you guys already know, the TypeScript giving a very good feedback for us. If there's that kind of areas, it will let us know in advance. But generally, is a perfect cool thing that we can work with most of the balance of the flexibility as well as using the good bits of the type system. Now this is very straightforward as well. For the employee info, we are passing the employee data. It's print out everything. But guys, here I have commented on one line, and I had a comment as well for you guys, but I'm pretty sure you guys already run this out. But we'll see what happens. Now here it's complaining, and it's obvious. Very good feedback again back from the TypeScript. It says employee ID is missing in type person but required in type employee. So guys, as you guys can see, in the employee info, we pass the person. It doesn't match with the employee because it has a different structure. It has something extra, right? But if we remove this property, the array is gone, right? The structure is matching perfectly. But of course, we get this obvious error because there's no property of employee ID. But so that's pretty much it, guys. It's all about the understanding that TypeScript all about its structure, not about the labels and names. It's just all down to the structure of the properties. So as far as TypeScript happy that we have all the required properties, the particular type, even the labels are different, it will be still happy. Right, we'll do a quick example again. Let's name something, anything we like. We'll say interface A, B, C. Right, and just copy out the same thing. And then we go back here. Let's create something, ABC. Right, I'll be lazy. I'm just gonna copy all of these. I'll put them here. Let's mark this as ABC type. Right, so Bob to maybe it's sensible here. 5, 6, 7, something. And now let's pass ABC here. Right. That's it. Still happy with it. So That's the beauty of it. It's the structural typing, duck typing. It's all down to the structure. It doesn't matter what kind of labels we are giving. Of course, we need to use different labels just to make it more kind of meaningful for us as programmers. But when it comes to the typing system, it's all about the structure. So guys, I hope these examples gives you that context. Play around with the code as like I did here. Change the things and try it out. This is just a basic example, but when you start to do it practically, you will learn more about it. But yeah, so hopefully we will meet again in another kind of social media post about something interesting TypeScript. Thank you guys.